Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. We had to pull out the big, this Saturday. Ow. Bleep, 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 bleep. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. It is Coats for Kids weekend. We are so excited. We just had a big bunch of coats, 124 coats dropped off by Sidecar with Rushing Wind Biker Church that has church here on the first and third Saturdays of the month. So we're so excited. Thank you, Rushing Wind. Grab your coats. It is Black Friday weekend. While you're out shopping, make sure you pick up those new coats. Coats for kids, coats for high schoolers. Remember to get all various sizes, and those high schoolers like hoodies as well. We will take them all. It is not a ride this weekend, it is an event. So come on out here, join us. We're watching the weather because we do have live music planned and a food truck coming out on Saturday. So we're gonna be watching the weather to see whether or not the music's gonna be going on, but we are all still gonna be here, and it is freezing out in the mornings and these kids are out at the school bus needing new coats. As you're coming in, dropping off your coats, we got some really cool Coats for Kids challenge coins to give you. And thanks to Whataburger, you get a free Whataburger coupon as well. So come on out and join us this Saturday, Coats for Kids weekend. We will all be here waiting for you. If you want to drive through, give us the coats out your car window. We will be here. All we need is you and your new coats. We'll see you Saturday.